Okay, we're supposed to graph here y equals 5 minus x squared over the interval from -3 to 3. So we'll start with a little xy table, value x and y values. From -3 to 3, so let's go -3, -1, 0, 1, and 3, for example. And that should be enough points to get a good idea of the graph. So first of all, we substitute x equals -3 into this equation. So y will end up equaling 5 minus a -3 squared, which is 5 minus 9, which is -4. So now, when x is equal to -1, y is equal to 5 minus -1 squared. That's 5 minus 1, which is 4. So there we go up to 4. Then at 0, we have y equals 5 minus 0 squared, so that's just 5. And when x equals 1, y will equal 5 minus 1 squared, which is just 5 minus 1, which is 4. And finally, when x equals 3, y is 5 minus 3 squared, which is 5 minus 9, which is -4. So let's plot these points. Let's plot them down here. So notice that the y values go from -4 all the way up to 5, and the x values go from -3 to 3. So he'll be the y-axis and the x-axis. And there's 1, 2, 3, -1, whoops, -1, -2, -3. And then on the y-axis will go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down to -1, -2, -3, -4. So starting off -3, -4, the first point that we found is right here. Then -1 and +4, we go all the way up to here, +4. And then at 0, we go all the way up to 5. That's the y-intercept. There's the y-axis coming up like this. Then at 1, when x is 1, we're also up to a height of 4. That's up here. And finally, at 3, we go down to -4. You may recall that a quadratic equation like this has a graph that's a parabola. In any case, try to connect these dots more or less smoothly, and you get something rather like this. The graph of this equation. Sometimes you put the name of the equation for the graph next to it. Okay?